Hey, Cloud Explorers, welcome to Nimbus Nebula, your one-stop channel for mastering advanced AWS and cloud computing. I'm your guide on this journey, Cloud Architect Pro, and today marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter for this channel. In this series, we're diving deep into the most advanced topics in AWS and cloud computing to help you become a true expert in the cloud space. Before we get into today's topic, let me share why I'm embarking on this new effort. Nimbus Nebula started as a space to share cloud basics, but now we're shifting gears to focus on the advanced skills that cloud professionals need to thrive in today's world. Whether you're preparing for high-level AWS certifications, optimizing your architecture, or just hungry for deeper knowledge, Nimbus Nebula is here to elevate your cloud expertise. Let's kick off this new journey by understanding why AWS is so crucial in the world of cloud computing. AWS is the leading cloud platform, powering some of the biggest companies on the planet. From startups to global enterprises, businesses trust AWS for its unmatched scalability, reliability, and global infrastructure. Whether you're deploying an app or scaling an enterprise, AWS gives you access to over 200 services. And that's the key. AWS isn't just about storage or computing power. It's about providing a complete ecosystem for businesses to innovate without the heavy lifting of traditional IT infrastructure. What sets AWS apart is its flexibility and continuous innovation. Companies can use AWS to build anything from a simple website to AI-driven platforms, thanks to services like Lambda, SageMaker, and DynamoDB. Plus, AWS is built for every stage of your journey, from small businesses starting out to global enterprises managing millions of transactions. And with AWS's global infrastructure, you're able to scale up or down based on demand, saving time and money. The reality is this: cloud adoption is no longer optional, it's a necessity for digital transformation. AWS empowers businesses to move faster, innovate smarter, and respond to market demands quicker than ever. In industries like healthcare, finance, education, and even space exploration, AWS is the backbone driving this change. And as more businesses move to the cloud, the demand for skilled cloud professionals grows. That's where Nimbus Nebula and the advanced AWS content we're creating come into play. But none of this matters without security, right? AWS provides top-tier security with services like GuardDuty, IAM, and Shield, ensuring businesses are protected. Plus, AWS meets rigorous compliance standards across industries, making it a trusted platform for even the most regulated sectors. Whether you're building for healthcare, finance, or the public sector, AWS gives you peace of mind that your infrastructure is secure. Alright, let's talk about the future. AWS isn't just shaping today's tech landscape, it's paving the way for tomorrow. Think about machine learning, quantum computing, edge computing. AWS is at the forefront of all these innovations. Services like SageMaker are making machine learning more accessible than ever, and AWS Outposts is bridging the gap between cloud and on-premise infrastructure for true hybrid environments. The future of AWS is about enabling businesses to innovate faster, smarter, and more efficiently. So, why am I focusing on AWS? Because it's not just about running workloads in the cloud, it's about building the future of technology. And as Cloud Architect Pro, I'm here to guide you through the most advanced AWS concepts, helping you sharpen your skills and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of cloud computing. This is just the beginning of our advanced AWS journey. Be sure to subscribe to Nimbus Nebula and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Each week we'll dive deep into the technical aspects of AWS, from architecture patterns to serverless design and security strategies. You won't want to miss it. And remember, Cloud Explorers, until next time, keep your head in the clouds.